Ang sarap ng jackfruit mga Mars. Uy, naamoy ko ang jackfruit. Ayan ang saging na saba. Madami to, madami. Magturon tayo. Ayan, oh. Ito ang hinahunting ko eh. Kasi mahal na ng itlog. Bira lang tayo makakuha ng itlog sa ngayon. Kasi marami nang marami nang nagda-dive. Hati-hati. Ito kaya. Hello, Mr. Bean. Uy, ang dami nilang tapon, no? Ano yan? Balaji waffle. Ano ito? Indian ata ito, uy. Indian food, oh. Expired na. Oh, Indian food na. Indian food na. Gulay. Ang gulay, oh. Ano ito? Pumpkin. I don't know. Good taste. Low fat, great taste. There's a lot of snacks in here. These are all Indian snacks. All kinds. I don't think if I want Indian snacks. I don't want an Indian snacks though. How about this one? Ito parang potato chips siguro ito. Potato chips. I'll try them. I'll take the potato chips. But not the other stuff.
Maybe Slow would like some.
Dummy. There's a 2x4. There's a 2x4. Kunin natin yan. Potato chips. Go look to the other side, Labo. All of the potato chips is in the other side. Naman to. Indian snack. Okay, Indian. Ang lamig, ah. Hanggang potato chips ang tayo. Ano to? Made with rice, spice, garlic. Ano to yan? All of this potato chip is there. Mix. Ano to? Hindi na natin kilala ito. Ito, puno pa yun, oh. Grabe yung ano nila, tinapuno. Cheddar cheese. Pumakan. Cheddar cheese. Boxes. Grabe ang dami. Bukas ang tapo ng chips nila. Garlic mixture. Maging Indian tayo nito. Yung ano, umuwi natin. Maanghang na potato chips. Let's get the potato chips. Yeah. Let's get the potato chips. There are boxes of chips.
Oh?
Yeah. Yeah, there are a bunch of that. That box on the other side.
What's this?
Oh, look, I'm shivering.
Oh?
It's so cold. Yeah, all kinds.
Banana.
The banana
chips.
chips? Oh, I'll take banana chips.
Yeah.
Palm oil, black pepper powder. Oh, it's flavored. Banana. What is the other one?
I don't know. I've never heard of it.
Oh, Indian food, you know? That's crazy. Crispy, full, with flour. Panipuri. Panipuri. I don't trust their food. Pasensya.
This might be okay. Puffed rice.
Pasensya na, ha? You know I don't trust their food. I'm not. Tingnan natin to kung ano. Banana chips na to. Okay lang siguro to. I'll grab a few banana chips.
Huh?
Don't bring them all. I'm not taking this puffed rice. I'll grab a few banana chips.
A few.
Or a couple. Just a couple. I'll leave the rest.
Are they all the same flavor?
Yeah. Alright. Think we got enough, huh? Chili. Chili tapioca. Okay. I got this, oh. I got this. Oh shit. Garlic mixture.
Bombay. That's probably got feet.
September 2025.
That's not bad. Try this. Oh, I forget. Probably didn't have a lot of this.
No, I'd grab a couple of that.
Black pepper.
Yeah, I grab a couple.
Are they all the same?
Yes.
They're all black pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. You want to try it before you leave them all?
Oh, okay.
And I'll never see it again. Madras mixture, huh? Wonder what Donnie is. Jawa?
Tastes like fish. Tastes like fried fish. Nah, I don't like it.
Really? I like it.
Okay, I get a few.
Yeah.
Couple. Alright. Let's see, I don't know. Kachuri. It's hard like a rock.
Yeah, it's probably supposed to be. Get it.
You wanna get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
When we get another chance to try it, huh? Try some Asian feet or underarm.
Let's try this one too. Baliw. Sorry. We're just
Try it light. So I'm impressed. You guys are all have good.
snacks. You wanna get
Healthy
this?
gut. You have healthy gut.
You want this? Wanna try this?
If I don't have one, yeah.
Okay.
Chihuahua. Try that.
Well, remember that doctor.
What's this?
I have one here.
Okay.
You know the Indian doctor we went.
Yeah. Just like, yeah, for real.
Alright, tara na. What's up, Mr. Bean? Uy, sayang yung itlog, oh. mo. Ano to? Uy. Itlog din, oh. Ay, nabasag-basag na sila, oh. Will you get the egg carton? Thank you. I think there's egg in this side. But, let's see. Organic, if you remove that. Can you get it? I will sort this egg. Uy, kalamig. Diyos ko po, thank you. Thank you sa konting itlog. Uy!
What?
Don't hurt yourself. Are you trying to go inside? Oh, I thought you were trying to go inside. Okay. Pwede pa pala, oh. Ayan, oh. Kaunti tayong itlog. Sayang ba yan, oh. Mahal ng itlog, eh. 11. Naligtas natin ang 11 na itlog.
Oh.
You need the light? What? Well, I hope it's still good. I mean, hope they're not broken. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, organic, cage free. Nice. That's what we want. Alright, hand it to me.
Licked him.
It's okay. The ground will catch it.
Yeah. Mr. Ben will catch it.
Yeah. Awesome. Organic, cage free. Uy! Kawawa, oh. Basag na basag, eh. Ayan, oh. Ito ang hinahunting ko, eh. Kasi mahal na ng itlog. Bira lang tayo makakuha ng itlog sa ngayon. Kasi marami nang marami nang nagda-dive. Hati-hati na sa mga nakukuha, mga mars. Swertihan na lang kung may makuha. Wow, nakadikit na. Ito kaya. Hugasan na lang yan pag-uwi. Diba? Malalaking itlog. Ay, parang kulang yung carton ko. Ayan. Sayang yung iba, pero ayos lang yan. At least nakuha natin. I don't think I have enough. Egg carton. Uwi na lang natin to. May ko na lang sa aking aso. Yung ano, yung hindi ano ba. Ito. Uwi natin yan. Yung hindi basag. Ay, yung basag bigyan natin sa ating aso. Ito. Awesome. Oops. Alright. Ito. Huwag natin ito. Ayan. You okay?
found a barking sea spider.
Uy. Dirty na to. Alright. Basag. Hugas lang katapat niyan. Mga mars, diba? Mahal nito ditong organic na to. Kung bibilhin mo to, naku Diyos ko. Alright. I got it.
Hmm?
Yep. We'll just take this because I'm out of egg carton. Oh, it's only one. Okay. Tara, let's. Ipit tong bibig ko.
I can't hear you. We'll grab it back.
Aray ka. Huh? May baby ka. Hello, Mr. Bean. Uy. May saging na saba. Hana. May saging na saba. Kunin ko to. Magpakro tayo. Thank you, Mr. Bean. Ay, sayang papaya. Saba, saba. Yan ang gusto ko. Saba, ano pa? Uy. Ay, wow, may langka din. Ay, langka din. Ang saya. Ang bango na langka. Uy. Ano to? Ang bango na lang. Wala akong dalambag. Uy. Ayun pa ang saging. Uy. Twin na saging. Hinog na, oh. Kuha ko ng baga. Kuha tayong baga. Ayan na. Ay, ang sarap ng jackfruit mga Mars. Uy, naamoy ko ang jackfruit. Ayan ang saging na saba. Madami to, madami. Magturon tayo at magpakro. Ito, saging. Ayan, oh. Bibi na saging. Baka meron pa sa ilalim. Kaya hindi ako kumakain ng okra. Ay, ano na. Yung puso, hindi na ito pwede. Tingnan natin makain ng puso. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Baka may ano pa, may gulay pa. Ay, sa tinapay. Wala na dito sa kabila. Puro bat. Bitak na nyog. Okay. Walay na, walay. Tinapay nila ang ito. Sayang ng okra, ang dami sana. Hindi tayo kumakain ng okra. Ito. Ano na? Piksat na. Ito natin ano? Patatas. Pwede yan na patatas. Patatas natin. Ang dami sa ilalim, oh. Huwag tayo makuwang masyadong patatas. Tsagayin natin itong patatas ni Mr. Bean. Ang palaya. Ayan o. Kaya ito, masarap siguro. Magkari-kari nga tayo. Ito. Cucumber ba ito? Ang cucumber. Cucumber. Alright. More maliliit na patatas. Mr. Bean. Sayang yan. Alright, tara na. Sarap mo, bikula na. Ito. Andito. Box lang. Tara natin. Ay, namoy ko ang ano, bango. Tara na. Tingnan yung mga Mars, may car seat dito, oh. Kuhanin natin to para sa ating baby. Oh. May car seat na ako eh, pero mas maganda ito para sa ating baby. Ang ganda. Oh. Car seat tayo. Is it really a wee bag? Oh, it is. Yeah, I'll take that. May changing table pa dito. Ang ganda sana, oh. Kaso hindi tayo nagdala ng truck ngayon. Siya. Yun lang kunin natin. May upuan dito, oh. Alright, tara na. Hello, mga Mars. Dito tayo ngayon kay Padilla. Burlington ulit. Hindi natin may makuha tayo dito. Parang may nanggaling na dito. Ano? Uy! What is this? Toys? Ano natin? Baka wala namang laman. Wala nga naman. May naman. Oh! Wow! Mahal, oh! It's a big toy. Oh, yeah. Ah, that's funny. The case is missing. Wala pala yung ano, nawawala yung casing. Nawala yung casing kaya itinapon, no? Look, it's missing. What you got? Oh? Case is missing. That was nice.
Cool.
There's a bucket in here. Oh, it's broken.
Get the car.
What are you gonna do with that? Let me see what you got here. Maybe this is only boxes.
Just empty box.
Seems like it. No? Oh, it's not. Oh, this is light up drawing pad. Huh? Oh, wala. Sira. Broken. Oh, the earring.
It's plastic.
Fake earring. Oh, ito. All-Star Mini bungee. Empty box, mahal.
Yeah.
Oh, better get some Nutella biscuit. Malo pillowcase.
Oh.
No, take that. Kunin ko ang pillowcase. Iwan natin ito. May Nutella biscuit po. The case is missing. Galing na yata dito sa ating honey hole.
Got the battery.
You get the battery? Sira. Wala yung ano.
And the charger.
Oh?
Yeah.
That's cool. Really? They didn't make this. Oh, it's under the Mr. Bean. Put it here, oh. What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna play with it. I wanted one of these all my life. I wanted a 4x4 though, but
There's no case.
this is a start. Who cares what it looks like? It's fun to drive it around. What, in
Okay.
here?
Yeah. Go get that thing,
Don't
oh.
lose it. Get what?
Get that thing.
Oh, this is part of it.
Remote. Wala na.
Oh,
Wala na.
it's good
Probably.
looking.
Wala na. Wala na there. This bag. No more. No more, no more. Hindi man magputo. That. May automatic litter box tayo dito.
They were probably disappointed they spent so much money on it and didn't.
Yeah, they're
The
expensive.
cats didn't like it, so they brought it back.
I wonder what brand is that. Oops. Huh?
I want that container thing.
What container?
Put screws in.
You get a bunch of those.
Oh, it's
It
got
still
litter
has
in it.
litter in it. Yeah, this probably stopped working. But where's the wire though? With the wire. There's no cord. No name, no brand though. Where's the brand? How that thing work? You can dump that litter box, that litter.
That's it. And the other thing sits on top of it. It's all there.
No wire, no cord. You have to plug it in to be able to work.
Well, I'm sure we've got one. We got lots of wood.
You may want to dump that later.
Oh yeah, of course.
What's that? What's up, Mr. Binoy? May TV, oh. Looking on TV, oh. Vizio. Vizio. Ano makuha natin dito? Parang wala, ah.
What we got?
Wala.
Trash.
Yeah. Nothing. Cold. It is cold. It's a restaurant stuff in here again. This is restaurant. That's a Vizio. There's a big speaker, huh? You got a big speaker. Oh no, I can't see farther there. Maybe I can.